The weather team you can trust. Here's meteorologist Kayla Smith.
Getting a good look out of these cams right now when nothing is falling, because it's going to look a lot different. In less than 12 hours from now, there's going to be snow caking these cams. And while we do still have a snow depth out there, it's about to get a lot deeper. We've got a lot of snow on the way, a lot of it falling throughout the day tomorrow. And we are not the only ones dealing with this winter storm. This is spreading across a significant portion of the country. Almost all of New England, all of New York State has winter storm warnings in effect. And this is across most of the northeastern United States. We've got ice storm warnings. If there is a winter alert, it is probably out for somebody right now. This is a big system causing a lot of problems in the south right now, but it hasn't reached us just yet. But it is on the way, and it is going to pack a punch. Here in western New York, we've got the added benefit of the lake effect on the back end of the system that for some of us is going to give us a couple more inches on top of what falls with this bear of a system itself. Not a whole lot going on right now, but things are going to change as we head towards early tomorrow morning. Taking a look at that on the future view. Expect clouds for the next couple of hours. Your temperatures kind of meandering around 10 degrees, give or take. As you head towards about 5-6 o'clock in the morning, our southern zones start to see some light snow. And by the time we reach 10 a.m., all of western New York is going to be seeing flakes flying. It's not going to be super heavy at its onset, but it does steadily get a little bit heavier, especially as you head towards the afternoon. And we stay in that heavier period of snow for a couple of hours. We could be seeing snowfall rates getting to an inch, maybe even a little bit more than an inch per hour. And that continues for several hours. It's not until we get towards later in the night on Sunday that we start to see that snow winding down. It's probably still snowing for a lot of us by about midnight, but it's going to be noticeably lighter than what we saw in the late afternoon, early evening hours. By Monday morning, the bulk of that system has moved out to our east, but we have that added lake effect. That wind direction shifts a bit, and we've got a northwest flow coming off of Lake Ontario that's going to give you maybe a couple more inches in zones to the northeast of the city and into Wayne County. For the rest of us, expect mostly cloudy conditions for a lot of the day on Monday. But then as we head towards Tuesday morning, that wind direction shifts again. It pushes that lake effect out of here. You may still see a few flakes flying on Tuesday, but it's not going to aid much to accumulation. So for this system from Sunday through early Tuesday morning, this is what we're looking at for snowfall totals. Again, you've got the higher totals where you could be seeing that added benefit of lake effect, but notice that a vast majority of us could be seeing a foot of snow, if not more, with this system. And we're talking significant to severe impacts across western New York in terms of driving, and it's going to be extremely cold. Don't expect that snow to be melting anytime soon, because going throughout the rest of the week, we're not seeing a whole lot of warmth here. We're talking not just well below freezing, but Isabel, we might not even be able to see temperatures getting into the 20s. We remain in a significant cold pattern this week.